Tom, I'm logging in now.
Already? Is the website working?
Yes, I just opened it.
Are you sure? Last time it was down.
I know, that's why I checked twice.
Good idea. Is the DMV website still down?
No, it's working tonight.
Really? That's great news.
Yes, the page is loading.
Please don't freeze.
Relax, it's moving.
My heart is beating fast.
You always get nervous.
Because this matters.
I know. Okay, I'm in.
Finally.
We must find a slot soon.
Yes, before it disappears.
Let me scroll down.
Are there many options?
Not many. Most days are full.
That's what I feared.
Wait, I see something.
What do you see?
There is one for tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow? Are you serious?
Yes, it just opened.
Don't lose it.
I won't. Let me click it.
My hands are sweating. Okay, select it.
What time is it?
It's at 8 a.m. sharp.
8 in the morning.
That's very early.
That's early, but I'll take it.
Good choice.
I don't want to wait another month.
Neither do I.
I know you hate the bus.
I hate it less than you do.
2 hours each way is crazy.
Especially in the morning.
Standing, crowded, noisy.
I won't let you suffer more.
Thank you.
So, did you confirm the slot?
Not yet.
Then do it now.
Okay, clicking confirm.
Careful. Read everything.
I'm reading slowly.
Check the date.
Tomorrow,
Check the time.
8 a.m.
Check the location.
Main DMV office.
Perfect.
Okay, confirmed.
Yes?
Yes, the confirmation code is here.
Show me.
Here. Do you see it?
Yes.
Take a screenshot.
Done.
Now check your email.
Refreshing.
It should arrive soon.
There it is.
Open it.
Opened.
Please print the email.
Right now?
Yes, we need a paper copy.
Okay, printer is on.
Print 2 copies.
2?
One for you, one for safety.
Smart.
Printers fail, emails disappear.
True.
No risks tomorrow.
It's printing now.
Check the ink.
It's clear.
Good.
I'm holding both copies.
Put them in the folder.
The blue one?
Yes, the important folder.
Done.
We can't make mistakes.
Not with the DMV.
Exactly.
I feel nervous again.
That's okay.
What if I forget something?
We'll check again.
Promise?
Promise.
You'll do great tomorrow.
No, you will do great tomorrow.
I hope so.
You're prepared.
Still, I'm scared.
Fear means you care.
Then I care a lot.
That's why you'll succeed.
Oh my goodness, look at this line.
I know. It's already long.
I can't believe it.
Take a breath.
People are everywhere.
It's still early.
Early? It feels late already.
Look at the clock.
It's only 7:30.
Exactly.
I told you this would happen.
You did.
I said it would be crowded.
Yes, you warned me.
Next time, we come earlier.
You wanted to come at 6.
And I was right.
Maybe.
Now we wait.
Waiting is part of the process.
I hate waiting.
Everyone does.
My legs are already tired.
Stand close to me.
Okay.
But remember, we have an appointment.
Does that matter in this place?
Sometimes it does.
Sometimes?
Yes, not always.
That doesn't help.
Look carefully.
At what?
At the entrance.
Oh,
There are 2 lines.
I see them now.
One is very long,
And the other one?
is shorter.
Which one is for appointments?
The one on the left.
Are you sure?
Yes. See the sign?
Appointments only.
That's us.
Thank goodness.
It's much shorter.
I feel better already.
This is why we booked online.
Thank God we booked online.
Imagine the other line.
No, thank you.
Some people arrived before sunrise.
That's dedication.
Or desperation.
Both.
The system is slow.
I still hate this slow system.
I know.
Everything takes time here.
Paper, stamps, windows.
So many windows.
And so many rules.
Relax, honey. We're almost there.
That's what I'm saying.
I'm trying to relax.
Unclench your shoulders.
Like this?
Yes.
My hands are freezing.
It's very cold this morning.
I should have worn thicker gloves.
Put your hands in my pocket.
Your pocket?
Yes. Come closer.
No, I can't.
Why not?
I need to hold the folder.
That folder again.
It's important.
I know.
Everything is inside.
Is it safe and dry?
Yes.
Are you sure?
I'm holding it tight.
Good.
If I lose this, I lose everything.
You won't lose it.
I'm not letting go.
The line is moving.
Slowly.
Still moving.
One step closer.
That's the spirit.
I can see the door now.
Almost inside.
Okay, I'm ready.
You've got this.
I finally have my permit.
Say that again.
I finally have my permit.
Let me see.
Here, take a look.
Wow, it's real.
It feels unreal.
Your name is here.
And today's date.
This is official.
It's my instruction permit.
You're a legal learner now.
A legal learner.
That sounds serious.
It does.
How do you feel?
Happy, relieved, a little scared.
That's normal.
But I can't drive alone.
Not yet.
I need you with me.
That's the law.
And the rule at home.
Exactly.
No solo driving.
No shortcuts.
No highways.
Definitely no highways.
Next step, road test.
Yes, the final step.
When can we book it?
The waiting list is long.
How long?
Sometimes a month, sometimes 2.
2 months?
I know, it sounds crazy.
Why is everything slow?
Everyone wants a license.
I don't want to wait.
Waiting builds skill.
And patience.
Mostly patience.
So what do we do now?
We practice.
Every weekend?
Every morning.
Every morning?
Yes, early mornings.
Before work?
Before work.
That's dedication.
That's support.
The roads will be empty.
Quiet and calm.
Less pressure.
More focus.
You're the best teacher.
I'm strict, though.
That's okay.
I'll correct you a lot.
I need that.
And you're my future driver.
Your personal chauffeur.
Exactly.
No more long bus rides.
No more standing in the cold.
No more waiting.
Soon.
I'm so hungry now.
That's adrenaline.
And relief.
Let's get a big lunch.
A very big lunch.
You earned it.
I'm buying.
Of course.
No arguments.
All right, Mr. Driver.
I like the sound of that.
You should.
This is just the beginning.
And I'll be there for every mile.